Hello, thanks for joining us today. We are Total CAD Systems, an authorized Autodesk reseller located in Houston, Texas. We will talk about changes and share some new tools that will help you increase productivity and save money. Before we talk about all these changes, I'd like to introduce our account managers. Michael Pigeon covers civil and plant. Michelle Sparrow covers architectural and construction. I'd like to welcome our newest account manager, Kanika Scott, covering manufacturing. And I'm Sherry Hewling. I also cover manufacturing. I know how important your time is, so let's get started. You may have heard that Autodesk discontinued the Design and Creation Suites. Don't be worried, because it's not the end of a bundle. It's the beginning of a new assembly of products called the Industry Collection. We're going to share with you two of our most popular collections, and then we'll talk about adding advanced steel to your collection. Now, as most of you know, you wouldn't be where you are today without some type of professional training or schooling. We're excited to share with you our training programs, and we'll introduce our newest partnership with Global eTraining. Lastly, we'll talk about the special offers for this quarter and tell you about the upcoming Switch plan. You may know by now that Autodesk Design and Creation Suites were discontinued on July 31st, and the end of those suites is the beginning of the Industry Collection. You may be thinking, we're recreating the wheel. Well, just as the auto industry shook up the mode of transportation, Autodesk needed a new way to deliver software and to make it less confusing. Previously, we had 2 or 3 editions of suites with bundled software. Now we have an industry collection that offers only 1 edition. It's a no-brainer. You choose your industry and purchase that collection. The advantages are you get more for your money, you support your business today and tomorrow, and manage costs better. So why make this change? Because Autodesk Industry Collections will provide a superior experience to that of the Design and Creation Suites. Industry Collections provide value that well exceeds the premium suites at a very competitive price point. Industry Collections are designed to provide instant access to new applications and cloud services to meet changing business needs with improved workflows. In addition, the Autodesk Desktop app will notify you when updates to Industry Collections product is available, and you will have control over which updates are rolled out, to whom, and when. You will also have more access to more cloud services than are currently available in the Design and Creation Suites, giving you more opportunity to leverage the computing power of the cloud. In addition, when you subscribe to a collection with a multi-user access, you will be able to grant shared access to cloud service, whereas with suites, you're limited to a single named user per cloud service. Subscriptions to Industry Collections will be available with single-user and multi-user access, and the choice of different term links giving you greater flexibility to choose the option that fits your business needs. Today, subscriptions to the Design and Creation Suites are available for single-user access only. We've made it easier for you to determine which offering is right for you. Instead of evaluating a multitude of suites and then having to select standard, premium, or ultimate tiers, all of your most essential software tools are in a single collection. So what's inside? For AEC customers, the Building Design Industry Collection includes a list of products. But I'd like to point out that Revit is included, AutoCAD Civil 3D, and AutoCAD. And then note that it includes Plant, and I'll tell you more about that later. Now, for manufacturing customers, the Product Design Industry Collection includes the most sought-after products of Inventor Professional, AutoCAD, and AutoCAD Electrical. And what's new to this suite is the addition of AutoCAD Architecture. Now let's look at some pricing. We said it was going to be simplified, so you have one pricing which is close to that of the former Premium Design Suite. You get more products at a lower cost than that of the Ultimate Suite. So the AEC pricing is $2,690, and for product design, it's $2,460. Now, I mentioned plant products were added to the AEC collection. Let's dig a little deeper. The AEC Industry Collections not only contains AEC software, but includes the primary software needed for plant design and construction. Autodesk added AutoCAD, Plant 3D, AutoCAD PNID, AutoCAD MEP, and Navisworks Manage, and ReCap Pro 360 to complete this collection. Now that's a lot of product for a lower price. The list you see here tells you the SRP associated to each of those products. Now if you were to purchase these individually, your total cost would be over $10,000. Therefore, having these in the AEC collection is a huge savings for plant designers. I mentioned earlier that you can add products to your collection. For those customers who need structural detailing and design, advanced steel may be purchased separately with a subscription plan. Inventor Professional may also be purchased as a separate subscription to supplement the need for 3D modeling of plant equipment such as skid and pressure vessels, and you can import it into your 3D plant files. Both of these file types can be imported into Plant 3D or Navisworks Manage to give you a total design solution. Now let's move on to switch plans. On October 12th, Autodesk will introduce the ability for customers to switch from their current subscription to an industry collection. You will have the ability to switch anytime after the first 90 days of purchasing a new subscription. This flexibility allows you to make changes as your business needs change and as you require access to additional products and services. Switching subscriptions changes the original subscription to a new subscription, but it's not available for switching from a perpetual license or a maintenance plan. Switching from individual products to a collection includes the design and creation suites to a collection. For example, from AutoCAD to the AEC collection, or from Building Design Standard, Premium, or Ultimate to the AEC collection, or from Product Design Suite Premium or Ultimate to the Product Design Collection. After switching subscriptions, the term length, access type, support level, and billing type will all remain the same. Later in this presentation, I'll be sharing details on the pricing for switching your subscriptions. So why is switching subscriptions important? As Autodesk transitions to a subscription-based company, they needed to offer customers the ability and flexibility to move their latest offerings. Offering a convenient path from individual products and suites to the industry collections allows customers to access the latest software from Autodesk. When you switch the industry collections, you will gain access to the full value of the industry collection, including a broad set of the latest products and services from the cloud. You'll also benefit from a simple way to purchase and manage software from Autodesk by standardizing on the industry collection. Let's take a closer look at the types of subscriptions that can be switched. From design and creation suites, all editions are eligible. Individual products purchased with single user or multi-user access, and annual, 2-year, or 3-year subscriptions. Now what cannot be switched, you cannot move from a perpetual license with or without a maintenance plan. You cannot move from an LT product or LT suite. Any monthly or quarterly subscriptions cannot change. Another industry collection, for example moving from AEC to the Product Design Collection, or any subscription that has an auto renewal from Autodesk. The pricing for switching subscriptions depends on the from and to products involved. So let me tell you about the pricing tiers for switching plans. The first tier has no cost and is for customers switching from eligible Premium or Ultima suites to a collection. There is no cost for the remainder of the current subscription term, and the renewal will be at the new industry collection rate. Now, the second tier for customers switching from eligible individual products and standard suites to the collection. It has a cost that is approximately the difference between the from and to subscriptions, which is prorated to recognize the time remaining in the current subscription term. Customers who switch their plans in the final month of their current plan may be eligible for a 30-day waiver. You may contact your account manager for more information on Tier 2 pricing or about this waiver. So here are a few reminders. Industry Collections released on August 1st. Switch plans are coming October the 12th. And you can keep your current design suites by renewing your perpetual maintenance plan or your term subscription plan. Now let's move on to our services and Autodesk promotions. We all need support from time to time. Some need it weekly and others just once in a while. Regardless of the frequency, it's good to have a support plan in place to assist you with those unexpected crashes, bugs, or how-to advice. Here's a review of our current gold plans and now our silver plans. If you're not ready to commit to one of these plans, we do have per incident available. Note we're in the process of updating our support plans, so these may change in the near future. Do you recall your first classroom? Most of us discovered the foundation for learning in a classroom. From elementary school through high school and then on to college, we had teacher or instructor-led learning. At TotalCAD Systems, we put a high emphasis on your learning, as we know that in order for you to get the best out of your software, you must know how to use it. Our courses provide learning for the beginner to the advanced user. Regardless of your experience, our courses will get you up and running or provide skills to perform better. One-on-one training gives you personalized sessions with our industry experts. You provide a list of items to learn, and we give you the tips and tricks to perform faster and smarter. And finally, online training is our newest offering. We have partnered with Global eTraining to provide online courses with instructional learning, quick tips, video how-to, hands-on training, and certification exams to assess your designer's knowledge. Let me tell you more about Global eTraining. This online training offers pyramid of learning tools that starts with software essentials for the beginning to advanced learner, then moves up to professional skills on industry knowledge to continue your learning. Next is how to improve your workflows and performance, and at the top it offers proprietary know-how to get your team working towards the same goals as your company. I know this slide has a lot of information, but hang with me. Global eTraining offers individual courses or a complete library to help you learn to use all the tools in your suite or industry collection. The Autodesk Library has a huge amount of courses, but that's not all. There is a BIM library offering introductory level and advanced BIM, the Microsoft Library to improve your skills in Word, PowerPoint, Excel, or Publisher, a leadership program such as time management and relationship building, and for those with hybrid design teams, there's a design library that includes SolidWorks, Bluebeam, and others. I'd like to note that the courses with an asterisk will be coming soon. Now let's move on to promotions. Autodesk is offering great discounts to customers with legacy software. For a limited time, you can save 50% on a 3-year subscription when you trade in your Autodesk legacy software. Simply trade in your R14. Yeah, that's right. Release 14 customers are eligible for this promotion. And then any customer up to the Release 2017 perpetual license is eligible for this discount. You'll have to act soon because this promotion ends on October 21st. Now let's look at an example. Autodesk currently offers a multi-year discount to customers who purchase a 2 or 3-year plan. So customers with legacy trade-in can purchase a 3-year plan and receive an upfront discount of 10%. Then take 50% off that price and you end up with an approximate savings of 55%. That's huge. So that brings us to the end of our presentation. If you have any questions, please contact your account manager, and here's our number. I want to thank you and have a great day.